AOBBIY, aka Melanated Beauty, back with you guys again for another video. And today, oh, what's that? It's an Amazon box. So I'm doing an unboxing on an acrylic nail kit. I have not used acrylic before, so I'm just gonna unbox it for you guys. When I do decide to use it, I will come back and give my initial review on it, or use it on camera. The only reason I'm not using it right now is because I have little ones and it's going to annoy my husband and my kids' noses, so I'm not gonna open it, the monomer, and use it just yet. So just open it up. Okay. Excuse my children if you hear them in the background because they are playing, even though I told them not to be so loud. Alright, so the first thing I notice here on the box is that it's glitter. So that means some of my glitter came out. So what's included in this is a pink acrylic, a clear acrylic, a white acrylic, acrylic liquid, small cleaning brush, 3 nail glues, 5 acrylic brushes, some 3D acrylic molds, your 3 different nail art dotting pens, a nail guide. So you got your sticker forms, tweezers, nail art clippers, cuticle oil, a buffing block, another 4-way buffing block, 12 colors of rhinestones, 12 colored 3D flowers, 18 colors of acrylic powder. They're like this little, I think. It also comes with another dapping dish, which I love because I really do need another dapping dish, low-key. 12 metal color glitters, 12 mailer glitters. I'm not 100% sure what that is. 500 pieces of French tips, random color. Okay. Low-key, y'all, I cannot stand glitter when it gets all over the place. Like, yes, I use glitter on my nails, but when it's like all over the place and popping, I cannot stand it because I have small kids and it gets on me and it gets on them, and I absolutely can't stand it. Like, I can't stand it. All right, so like I said, you could smell the monomer in here. So like I said, that is my only thing when it comes to doing acrylic. Why I haven't started doing it yet is because of the monomer smell. As soon as you open up the box, you smell it. Alright, so it comes with a user manual, and I have glitter, like I said, all over the place. This is gonna make my house smell like a nail shop when I am ready to use it. Alright, so here is the nail tips. Nail tips. Those are your standard nail tips they use in shops. Your rhinestones. These are like some little colored caviar beads. What's this? Okay, your cuticle oil. Y'all, all this, y'all see all this glitter in this? Y'all can't even really see all the glitter in this box, but it's relatively annoying. Alright, and I already have one of these. Your nail clippers. And then you have your brushes. I want to open these up and see what they feel like. See how stiff they are, because I know you have to like clean your brushes and stuff anyway. Alright, so I'm going to take them all out because I want to see the sizes on them. These are like supposed to be like really cheap, but they should be good enough for me to practice with. All right, you got a 4, 8, 10. What's this? A 6 and a 12. I might have to start off using this 12 when I do start, because all these other ones just look so small to me. Your dotting tools, your nail forms. Oh, I'm gonna put this in my purse because I have them for the house but not for my purse. This is awesome. Use it all the time if you got nails. I don't know what the heck, 3D nails. Oh, okay. So what you do with this little thingy, I'm assuming, not 100% sure, is that you take it, you put your gel polish in it or your acrylic, I believe your acrylic, and it makes your nail form, your 3D, these are hearts. It makes your 3D nail that you want to use, your design, and you just like pop it out of the mold and you go put it on there, put it on your nail. 4-way buffing block, this super strong ass monomer, and tweezers, nail file. They came with, ooh, brush on nail glue. I don't even have any of that yet, so that's a plus. I hope that turns out to be like really good. 4-way buffing block, my dapping dish. All right, so these are your powders. This is white, and some of it seems to have spilled out because it is like a little dusty residue. But I'm gonna open it up and show y'all how much is in here. This is okay, this is pink, my bad. So that's that. This is like really good for starters because this is what I'm gonna begin with more than likely. Just so I don't be buying stuff like the expensive stuff and mess it up. Like literally, that's the only reason why. White. I like that it does have a cap on it, but like I said, it is some sort of little dusty residue in here. And you're clear. Clear. That low-key look like it got little pieces of glitter in it. Like very, very tiny pieces of glitter in it, y'all. This, like I said, was from Amazon for $33, which isn't too bad for all of this stuff. So this is the glitter. I'm glad I got like black glitter like that and some neon glitter. And this is what opened up. But I'm not seeing any like actually opening there, so I don't know why it's like all in my box. And these are the acrylic powders. So I'm loving that I have these too because it's like so many different colors. I assume this is like a nude. Here, I like that I have brown and black. So I'm definitely going to test these out. And that might, if I decide to record it, it's going to be a whole outside video for you guys. Because like I said, monomer is like so strong. I do not want to bother and upset my husband and my kids' noses with the smell of this monomer. So yeah. And this is like a little bitty starter bottle. I'm going to open it up just to make sure it has a top on it. Okay, it has like a little squeezy top. I like that. But it's so strong and I don't understand why because it's closed. Maybe it's the powders. I don't know. But the link for this will be below. It's $33. I haven't used it yet. But to me, for a beginner for acrylic, because you guys know that I use dip powder and poly gel, so I'm definitely curious to try out some acrylic and see how it goes. I think it was a good little lick for me to get this and start off with. So yeah, and then it came with 500 nails. Like, why not? Why not? But I will have another video coming out next week. I will be trying out the McCart press-on nail system. I've heard that it's really good and that a lot of my other nail ladies out here use the McCart full coverage nails to make their press-on nails. And honestly, you guys, that is something that I might get into. I just need to figure out what's the best nails, what's the best technique, because when I do this, I want you guys to be satisfied. and keep on buying from me. So I want to make sure that I'm doing everything to the best of my ability, that you guys' nails stay on, that I'm doing good sets for you guys. So I'm just testing out a few things, and like I said, that would be one of the things that would be on my list to do and learn, is to get those press-on nails for you guys to sell, because that is an adventure that I am willing to try and do and make some money. So yeah, stay tuned for next week's video when I test out these Macart full coverage nails press-ons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The link to get this acrylic kit will be in the description box below. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram at Melanated Beauty for all updates and everything that you see from my channel here.